What we have here is a Chrysler 200, a 2012 with the 2.4 four-cylinder in it. We're going to change the oil in here today. First thing we're going to want to do is obviously have the engine shut off, and we're going to pull the dipstick out a little bit, and then we're going to go underneath and drain the oil and remove the oil filter. Okay, you may have to block your wheels and jack up the vehicle, put it on jack stands to get enough room underneath here. I loosened the drain plug here, and I'll go ahead and remove that. Let the oil drain into my catch pan here, and then we'll remove the oil filter. Next, what we're going to want to do is make sure the old gasket is off the mating surface here. Then we're going to wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean. Lower the vehicle down to ensure all the oil is drained out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take the oil filter and I'm going to take some oil and rub it on the gasket here before I install it. That'll help it seal better. Okay, we'll reinstall our oil, or install our new oil filter. We'll go ahead, run it down until it touches the mating surface, then we'll tighten her up by hand. Go one full turn past that, or 3/4 of a turn. Okay, we'll reinstall our drain plug. And we'll tighten that up. It's a little over snug, about 30 foot-pounds or so. Okay, on the top of the engine here, we'll take and remove the oil cap. And I'll tell you what kind of oil to put in there. This one is 5W20. This particular engine takes 4 1/2 quarts. Put a funnel in there and we'll fill it up with oil. Okay, we'll remove our funnel here. Lace our cap. Take our dipstick out. We'll double check our oil here. Way the camera's picking this up, you want to be in the checkered area. To reset the oil change reminder, we will insert our key in here, turn it to the on position, that's right before start. Then we will go down here and depress the accelerator and let it up 5 times. Turn your key to the off position, you're all done. Also, I added a decal with recording the mileage when we need to change it again.